Hey everybody, Jeffrey here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to water propagate a pothos plant. This variegation is called Marbled Queen. So what you want to do first is look for the nodes. The nodes are these little brown things, sometimes spots, that grow along your vine, and these are from which your roots grow from. There are actually two ways of doing it. The first way is a single vine way, where you cut a section of your vine, place it in some water, and then that way you'll have one plant, actually a long vine, one stem plant. The other way is the multi-cutting way, which I'm going to do today. So what you do is locate your nodes, like I said, and cut in between them. Usually you can cut in between each leaf because it should have a node there. If not, skip that and go on to the next one that does have one. Otherwise, roots won't grow from it. There went that one. And I didn't mention that the single vine way, you want to make sure that the top is at the top. The part where it's growing from is towards the bottom, because if you put them in there upside down, they're not going to grow. Ask me how I know. So anyway, out of this plant I got, oh, here's one more. One that fell on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I got 13 cuttings out of just this 1.5 foot section. So go ahead and just place it in a vase or a bowl or anything you can find around the house. If any of them fall in, I'll straighten them up after the video. So all you do is place them in the water. They don't like chlorinated water. So if you have any bottled water on hand, that works best. But ordinary tap water, that should work fine. And then after about 10 days, you're going to start to see some roots. Make sure you change your water every week, because if you do, some algae is going to build up, and it's not really going to hurt the plant, but you don't want to take any chances. So anyway, put your cuttings in a bowl or a vase or whatever you have. Fill it with water. Wait about 10 days, like I said, before you'll start seeing roots, and then after about 30 days, it should be okay to plant. Maybe 25. Anyway, I hope this helps anybody that needs some help with it, and we will see you in the next video. Oh, and by the way, I guess I have a little bit more cutting to do. Now grow.